Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 2 Richmond Place. It's 2-bedroom mid-terrace property. There's a parking space at the front of the house, just where this grey car is here, which is just slightly offset actually from the front of the house. And then we've got a private road going down to Gadsby Road. Pathway just leading up to the front door here, and into the property we've got the front door leading into this hallway. And then the breakfast kitchen here at the front of the property. And the wall-mounted boiler just in the corner. And then the stairs just here on the left hand side going up to the first floor, and the door through to the reception room here, the back of the house, and we can see the sliding doors leading out to the garden. And now on to the first floor. We've got 2 bedrooms and the bathroom. Starting here with bedroom 1. So here we're overlooking the rear garden. And there's also a built-in cupboard in the corner. And then bedroom 2, here with an aspect to the front. And then we've got the bathroom. And out into the garden. There's a patio area here, and then leading along to the main established garden area. Lovely surroundings. And then there's also a gate just in the corner which provides access back through to the front of the house. And that concludes the online viewing for this property. If you would like any further information, then please do contact us at the office, and we hope to speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye bye.